Welcome to this informational video. Hopefully you will get some tips to help you keep notes even better. First, we need to go to Notes. Press the button at the bottom right, so a new note will open. Depending on your configuration, the first line will be a header. When you press Enter, it will change to body text. First, we make a to-do list by pressing the icon in the middle of the functions bar. After you typed your first to-do, press Enter to add another to-do. Double press Enter to finish your to-do list. For creating tables, click on the first icon of the functions bar. By clicking the furthest column, it is possible to add a new column to the table. You can add another row by clicking on the bottom row. For this video, we will create a small table with some information from Wikipedia. First, I will type one row myself. For the other line, I will use the scan function that will insert words and numbers itself. By holding your finger on the table, it is possible to swipe left and right. Click on the dot next to your to-do list to mark this action as completed. Now we move on to the second item on our to-do list. Press the camera icon, and then choose for Scan Documents. Place the document in front of your camera and wait till it is marked yellow, then make a picture. Determine if the scan is clear enough. If so, choose for Keep Scan. By pressing Save, you will return to your note and the scanned document is included. It's time to complete the second action item in the to-do list as well. Have fun trying these features.